Hey beauty, welcome back to ID Better Life channel. It's Josie here, and today I'm super excited to talk about one of my all-time favorite skincare products, La Roche-Posay's Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. And just so you know, I've got the link to buy this amazing product down in the description below. So, this is a gentle cleanser that's been designed for normal to dry skin. If you have sensitive skin or dry skin, this is a great cleanser. It's a creamy cleanser, so it really is not going to strip the skin of its natural oils. I'm reading here from the label, and it says that it's soap-free, sulfate-free, and fragrance-free. It also has ceramides and niacinamide, which is one of my favorite ingredients in skincare, and it is dermatologist-tested. This is a very popular product, and I love it for people with sensitive skin. So it comes in this 13.52-ounce large pump bottle. To open it, you do have to twist it to unlock it. And when you pump it out, you can see this is a creamy cleanser. It's not going to be very sudsy, it's more of a creamy cleanse. This is very useful for people with sensitive skin and dry skin, because this type of creamy cleanser removes all of the things that you need to remove when you're cleansing your skin, like your makeup or excess oils, but it won't strip the skin of its natural oils. So, if you're looking for a gentle cleanser for normal to dry skin that's safe for sensitive skin, that's soap-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free, this could be a good product for you. If you want to learn quick expert skincare tips where I really break down your favorite skincare products and how they work, click the subscribe button and check out the next video. I think you'll really love it. Let's talk about the key ingredients in La Roche-Posay's Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. This product features ceramides, which help to restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier. It also includes niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, and dullness. These ingredients work together to provide a gentle yet effective cleansing experience, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive or dry skin. The cleanser comes in a sleek, easy-to-use bottle, making it convenient for daily use. Just apply a small amount to damp skin, gently massage, and rinse thoroughly. It's that simple to incorporate into your skincare routine. So, if you're on the hunt for a gentle, hydrating cleanser that's perfect for sensitive or dry skin, I highly recommend giving La Roche-Posay's Hydrating Gentle Cleanser a try. And remember, the link to buy is right in the description below. Trust me, your skin will thank you. So, why wait? Experience the benefits for yourself and give your skin the care it deserves. Thanks for watching, beauty. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Also, check out my other videos for more expert skincare tips. See you next time.